begin the Situational Assessment tool, register in the FSM Toolbox website. Once you're logged in, click on the top menu in the View Toolbox Content and View All Tools. The Situational Assessment tool is the first resource listed. You'll find a summary of the tool and a drop-down menu with the instructions to install and the installation file. After you download, unzip the file, start by the System Support folder, and install the MS Access Database Engine 32 or 64, depending on your computer specifications. After the database is installed, go to User File and open the .exe extension. When you double-click on the application for the first time, a warning message pops up. Accept the warning to continue to the tool homepage. To start, add a new assessment on the left panel. Indicate the title of your assessment and you'll be in the introduction page. Fill out the basic information requested and find below the tool description and methodology. Save and move to the second tab in the top bar, General Information. You'll find blank cells for numerical answers and a drop-down menu to choose your answers. Along the tool, you can find at the right-hand side in blue the Information icon. Be sure to save your answers in each of these pages. Our next tab is Weightage Adjustment. Each FSM service chain component has a weightage, and you can adjust it if needed. These weights are used only for assessing overall FSM situation. The tool provides default weights to begin with. You'll find a brief description on weight adjustment in this sheet. To adjust, select at the right site the desired weight from low, moderate, or high, and remember to save your changes. The following tabs represent the components of the FSM service chain: Containment, Emptying, Transportation, Treatment, and Reuse. Each component will be assessed under 6 aspects: infrastructure, regulatory, institutional, capacity, awareness, and financial and management. Answer the questions accordingly to your local FSM situation. Once the questions have been answered, save. Clicking on Report, you'll see a radar graph with the 6 aspects in each axis. The percentage in blue represents the unified score in percentage for each aspect. The color shade of the radar graph displays the situation of the individual component. Only after answering all the questions from tab 4 to 6, you'll be able to see the overall situation assessment results. Click on Overall FSM. Browse for your file and click on Show. It'll indicate the summary of all components and the overall situation. The result will display a radar graph with the color corresponding to the overall situation. Additionally, you can have further details of your situation by visiting the Dashboard section. Search for your file and find the highlights of the situation, strengths, and weaknesses for each FSM chain component. To print, click at the top right corner. That'll set a single page to print or save as a PDF file. Along this video, you have learned how to use the SAT tool and its fundamentals. Remember that this is an initial assessment, and enrollment of key stakeholders increases the accuracy and objectivity in which the results will be given. Start now to assess the FSM situation of your city, town, or locality. The FSM Toolbox team will be happy to know your questions and take suggestions. For further information, please contact us at www.fsmtoolbox.com/contact.